Hello folks, and thank you for stopping by. I'm doing another product review, and this time around I'm doing a review on these Bluetooth earphones. And I'd like to thank the folks at ZEAKOC for sending this out for our review. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright folks, we're going to go ahead and see what's on the inside. So, let's do this. Well, oops, sorry, I bumped the camera. So, here's the box it comes in. And it's a nice size box and everything. You know, box itself has a nice feel and everything, and pretty much this is all the details it has in the back. So, we can go ahead and open this up and see what's inside. So let me go ahead and grab my little fingernail file. I always keep this handy now. Ever since I had that little trouble on my other video on this channel when I was trying to open a certain package, and I was having a whole lot of crazy time with it. So, so I'm going to open this up. As you notice, it's got like a little flap, little plastic flaps on the end. You probably can see them maybe. I guess I'm trying to show them. Get good light on them. Maybe you saw that. But yeah, I'm taking those plastic flaps off first so I can actually show you what's on the inside. So, oh, there we go. Open the first one. Second flap right here. It's a little plastic. I'm taking care not to mess the box up. Alright, there we go. So, we can go ahead and open this up, see what's inside. Alright. There we go. Alright, open this up. Okay. This is how it looks like in the box. Oh, okay. So those are the earbuds. And this is the case. Oh, okay. Well, that's interesting. Alright, let's see what's inside the case itself. Ooh. And that came on too. That's an LED readout. I believe this is the charging case. Yep, this is the charging case. So these particular earphones, Bluetooth earphones, has its own recharging case. Okay, cool. Alright, let's see that again. Oh, you still can see it kind of through there, what it looks like. Oh, okay. So it's at 100, from what I'm looking at, it's at 100%. So these are good to go. And of course you see those prongs there, they attach to the earphones themselves to recharge them. That's cool. Alright, let's take the earbuds out themselves. Alright. Just curious about what they look like. Okay. Looks like they'll fit right in the ear, don't they? And of course the prong things there, where the prongs go in at. You know, that's the earbud right there. And I believe that's the Bluetooth device. Buttons you push on. Okay. I'm just taking this out so we can see everything. Same here. Alright. I'm going to take the foam out. And of course there's some other goodies in here, so let's go and check it out. Okay. Alright. So what we got here is, oh okay, we got a USB plug that we can plug into a 5-volt adapter so we can charge up the case here. So we got that. And we got extra, look like extra earbuds in here to replace the ones that's on there. Look like they're, they look like they're different sizes too. Okay, that's cool. Alright. Let's see, we got our warranty card. That's cool. Alright. And an all-important user manual to operate these, which I will be reading and demonstrating shortly. So, you know what? I'm gonna read this thoroughly, and next scene we're actually gonna be operating these. Stay tuned. Alright folks, we're gonna go ahead and actually start using these earbuds. After doing some thorough reading in this manual, I found out that you can actually, I'm going to give you a little synopsis of what I just saw in here. You can actually operate them in two modes. You got stereo mode and you got mono mode. Stereo mode means that you can basically have both of these in your ear as stereo earphones. You can do that, or you can just have one in your ear, which is the mono mode. So you can have one earbud and it'll still be functional, you know, as your headset, but there's only one. And of course you got stereo if you like to listen to music and everything. So I found that out. Okay. And I also found out that we got to pair these up first so we can use them in stereo mode. And that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to show you the stereo mode first. This is the first time pairing up and everything. So I'm just going to do stereo mode. If you want to operate just one earbud, you can find out more about it in the instruction manual itself. But I'm just going to focus on the stereo part. So here we go. So according to the manual, it tells us that we have to actually open this case up and put these earbuds in there so that they can pair up. So I'm putting this one in here, and I'm putting this one in here so they can actually pair up. Oh, well, that's interesting. Alright folks, hopefully you can see what I'm seeing clearly. Let me do this again. And there we go. They're pairing up. They just paired up. So you basically put them in there, close the case, and that's what happened. So just in that few seconds, you saw both of them on, and now they're all paired up. And just one of them on, but they've actually paired up now. So I can either take one out and use it as a, you know, one earpiece thing, or if I'm feeling like I want to listen to some music, of course I'll take the two out and call it a day. So what I'm going to do, I'm literally going to, let's see, according to the instruction manual, go ahead and find this on my phone. So I'm going to go and find the Bluetooth on here. I'm going to go into more settings on here while it's doing that. And here it is, right there. Of course it's going to say left earbud, but they actually paired up as stereo. But basically if I take it out, take one out, they'll operate the same. And if I take both of them out, they'll just pair up as stereo headphones. So as long as you see this, you compare it, you know, you can connect to it. So I'm going to tap on this. And type the pairing code when I'm hit the pair. Alright. Allow, to access your contacts and call history. That's interesting. Just for the sake of argument, I'm just going to allow it to do that for now. And connected. See? It's connected now. So what I'm going to do is basically take these out now. Oh, I wanted to show you something too, what we saw earlier. I was trying to show you before they paired up. Alright, when you put the earbuds in, right, you notice it says 100 on here at the moment. Alright, as soon as you put the earbuds into one of these, right, the battery indicator before that earbud comes on. So it's got its own little battery indicator telling you how much power it got, and that particular earbud got some power in it. And of course, I'm gonna put this in here, and okay, and of course to this one has some power in it too. So you always know how much power it has in it. Well, that's interesting. Like that. That's cool. That's really cool. Well, enough of me playing with the case. Also, oh, by the way, yeah, there's the plug you plug into. Use this plug right here to plug into there and plug into your 5-volt adapter. It charges up. Oh, it's charging. Oh, check that out. See? Hold up. Oh, there we go. Alright, let me take this out. Alright. I'm going to go ahead and operate these. Alright. Enough of me just playing around with it. Alright, let's go ahead and actually listen to the music. Alright, so you know what? Let's go to my TikTok channel. Yep, there we are. See what it sounds like. Alright. No. I think you can hear it. Yep. I'm just going to put in my ear for a moment and see what they sound like. Oh, wow. I gotta tell y'all folks, the sound quality on these earphones is wonderful. Oh my, I like these. Alright, maybe I can put it close to, maybe I can hear it. I got both of them in my hand right now. I'm gonna get it close to, I think you can hear it. No. Alright. There we go. That's one of my other crazy stuff on TikTok. Oh, that's cool. So these definitely work. Yeah, definitely wonderful, folks. Alright. So, in our next segment, we're going to take these out into the street and see how they really work. Well, folks, I'm out here with the earbuds, earbuds, and basically, they've been nice. I had them pretty much the whole day, and I gotta say, the sound quality is great. You know, I was able to hear my phone calls clearly, especially when I made it to my wife. I asked her how it sounds. She loved them. She loved how the way it sounds in there. She can hear everything, so that's a plus. Man, it's nice and sunny out here, isn't it, folks? Oh, by the way, this is how they look in your ear. You know, just basically walking along. And I gotta admit, I really like them.
So you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and provide an Amazon link in the bottom description of this video, so you can get these for yourself or for someone that you know deserves these, because they're wonderful. So well, and thank you for watching. Oh, by the way, I do have a Patreon page I just set up, so, and it goes by the same name as this channel, so you can support me there too. So well, thank you for watching and have a great day.